As we know, behind every emergency, there is a teamwork who often work under pressure but with compassion and commitment. So there is our emergency department with our skill team with fully commitment to carry the emergency toward the emergency department and for prompt treatment and diagnosis. I, Dr. Syed Abdullah Shah, Registrar Emergency Department, welcome you all to our emergency unit, Life Care International Hospital, Islamabad, with a highly professional and dedicated team to receive emergency 24/7. So we are entering in our emergency department where we receive the patient, critically ill patient, to provide the first aid and for initial assessment. So we are entering in our emergency department, and the desk behind me is our front desk where our FDO, that is the front desk officer, guide the patient that where to go and where to take the treatment.
We are blessed to have a highly dedicated team of doctors, nurses, paramedics, and support staff who work in close coordination to ensure effective and safe patient care round the clock.
So we are going toward our resuscitation area where we receive the casualty. These critically ill patients are managed there with highly equipped machinery and to provide the prompt treatment and with the life-saving interventions. So we always ensure dignity, respect for the patient and their families to provide early intervention and prompt resuscitation. This is our 10-bedded retaining area where we retain the patient in the emergency department for IV and IM medication, also for initial diagnosis and to coordinate with different departments. We support the families here in terms of providing efficient medical care to the patient. Our hospital is equipped with latest machinery and with the provision of every drug. This is our department with a highly skilled staff where we treat the patient with full enthusiasm. We always emphasize on patient safety and we always emphasize on the good infectious control practices to provide free infection and aseptic treatment to our patient. In our emergency department, there is no compromise of patient safety and on the ethical teamwork. In emergency department, we as a team work with full enthusiasm because in emergency every second is mattered and every life is important to us.